Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily recover data from an external or internal hard drive disk. You've lost it by error or you've deleted it and now you want to recover it, then this video will help you. To begin the recovery using bitrecover, open the application, click on either deleted or formatted data recovery, one of them. You can even select raw data recovery in case your hard disk or your device went bad. For now, I will just choose deleted data recovery. I'll select the device that I want to scan. So we need to locate our device, this PC, letter E, size 185. Letter E, next. So here it has finished the scan. In your case, the scan might take longer based on how big is it the device that you are trying to recover data from. And here, as I can see, that there are several files. And for me, I'm mostly interested into recovering a PNG. So this one, you can check through several if you wish. Also, you can open the folders and check which one would you like to recover. So I would just select these two and I will click save. I will click recover. Select data recovery path. So I'm gonna put it in another folder, D, OK, and I will click OK. Saving completed successfully. Just click OK. And let's open and see in the D if the recovery was done. And here I see that it has recovered PNG. You can recover whatever type of documents, videos, pictures, RAR files, zip files, etc. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.